U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, announces Consideration of Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA. Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals allows certain individuals who meet specific guidelines to request consideration of deferred action from USCIS. Individuals who receive deferred action will not be placed into removal proceedings or removed from the United States for a specified period of time, unless terminated. If you receive deferred action, you may be eligible for employment authorization. Can I be considered? You may request deferred action for childhood arrivals if you meet the following guidelines. You came to the United States before reaching your 16th birthday. You have continuously resided in the United States since June 15, 2007, up to the present time. You were under the age of 31 as of June 15, 2012. You entered without inspection before June 15, 2012, or your lawful immigration status expired as of June 15, 2012. You are currently in school, have graduated or obtained your certificate of completion from high school, have obtained your general educational development certificate, or you are an honorably discharged veteran of the Coast Guard or Armed Forces of the United States. You have not been convicted of a felony, significant misdemeanor, or 3 or more misdemeanors, and do not otherwise pose a threat to national security or public safety. You were physically present in the United States on June 15, 2012, and at the time of making your request for consideration of deferred action with USCIS. How do I file? Collect documents as evidence that you meet the guidelines. Complete USCIS Forms I-821D, I-765, and I-765WS worksheet. Mail USCIS forms and fees, totaling $465. Visit your local USCIS Application Support Center for a scheduled biometrics services appointment. Check the status of your request online. There are 3 steps to the renewal process: find, insure, and complete. Step 1. Look at your Form I-797, Notice of Action, and find the date that your current period of DACA expires. You can also find the expiration date on the front of your employment authorization document. It's important to know this date. You should submit your renewal request about 4 months, or 120 days, before your current period of DACA expires. Step 2. Ensure you meet the following. You met the guidelines for initial DACA. You did not depart the United States on or after August 15, 2012, without advance parole. You have continuously resided in the United States since you submitted your most recent DACA request that was approved. You have not been convicted of a felony, a significant misdemeanor, or 3 or more misdemeanors, and you do not otherwise pose a threat to national security or public safety. Step 3. Complete and mail 3 forms available for free on our website, www.uscis.gov. Form I-821D, Consideration of Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization, and Form I-765WS, Worksheet. Remember to sign your forms and pay $465 to renew your DACA. The $465 covers the filing fee of $380 for Form I-765 and $85 to have your fingerprints and photo taken. We encourage you to read the instructions for these 3 forms, including the details on where to mail your request. Instructions are also available in Spanish. For more information about DACA or requesting a renewal, visit www.uscis.gov/childhood arrivals.